Hello and welcome to My Learning Adda. Today in this video we will learn about 6 new functions which are added in MS Excel 2016 version. Yes, MS Excel has released 6 new functions in its new version of 2016. So let's start. Our first function is text join. Text join function in MS Excel 2016 version joins or concatenate a list or range of text, and also it gives an option to place any delimiter between those text. So earlier we were using concatenate function in Excel, in which we will have to give multiple cells, or we will have to select multiple cells multiple times if we want to concatenate them. But with this new text join function, we can simply give a range of cells if we want to concatenate them, and also it gives an option to us if we want to give any delimiter between those text. And its syntax is equal to text join delimiter comma ignore empty. Ignore empty is like if in a given range, if you have some cells which are blank, do you want to ignore them or no? If you want to ignore them, then give it a true, otherwise false. And then comma text1 text2, or in place of text1 text2 you can give a range. Our next function is concat. Concat function in MS Excel 2016 version is similar to text join, but it does not have any option to give delimiter. Yes. So now you will ask, what is the difference between concatenate function and concat? Yes. In concatenate function, you will have to select multiple cells multiple times if you want to concatenate them. But with this concat function, you can simply give a range and it will concatenate all the cells in the given range. But it does not give you any option to give any delimiter between those text. And its syntax is equal to concat text1 text2 and so on. And in place of text1 text2 you can simply give a range. Next function is ifs. Till now we were using if function in MS Excel, but in its new release it has added ifs function. Ifs function solves the problem of applying if function multiple times, or what we say nested if. It solves the problem of applying nested if function, as new ifs function allows to give multiple logical tests and values. Its syntax is equal to ifs bracket open logical test 1 comma value if true 1 comma logical test 2 comma value if true 2. So we can simply give multiple logics and multiple values if that logic is true. We don't need to write if multiple times. Next function is switch. Switch function is similar to ifs function, but switch function evaluates an expression instead of a logical test. Its syntax is equal to switch expression. Expression is what you want to check, like what, like if a cell evaluates a value, or suppose you are in a cell, you have a date and you want to check what month is of that date, so that is your expression. Comma value 1. Value 1 is what you are checking. So suppose you have a cell, you have given expression as a cell, value 1 would be like 10, and result 1, like you can give any result, like if the value is 10 then write October, then default or value 2. So if it is 11, so you will write 11 comma result 2. Result 2 will be November if you want to write November. So value and results are what value you are expecting to that expression and what result you want to display. Our next two functions are max ifs and min ifs. Earlier there was only max and min function in Excel, which used to calculate maximum or minimum value in a range of cells without any criteria. So what we were doing, we were simply giving a range and it was telling us the maximum value of that range or minimum value of that range. But with this new max ifs and min ifs function, now you can calculate maximum or minimum value in a range of cells with applying multiple criteria also. Its syntax is equal to max ifs max range comma criteria range 1 comma criteria 1 comma so on. And if you want to apply min ifs, then min range and criteria range 1 criteria 1. So now with these new two functions, we can calculate maximum or minimum value in a range with a criteria. I hope these new 6 functions will help you in your work, and this video will help you to apply them. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, My Learning Adda. Simply click on subscribe button below, and if you like this video, then please feel free to click on like. Thanks for watching.